Hello everyone and good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, April 30th, 2025 at 13:34. And today we have our day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow. Everything loaded, that's good. So tomorrow we have a slight risk. We have this small slight risk that encompasses parts of Oklahoma and Texas. And we have this slight risk that extends from Texas through Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, just a tiny bit of Georgia, Kentucky, a little bit of Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, West Virginia, up into Pennsylvania and New York State. We also have the marginal risk that extends from Texas through Oklahoma, up into Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, just a little bit of Michigan there, going through New York State, Pennsylvania, Maryland, West Virginia, a little bit of Virginia, Tennessee, North Carolina, a little bit of North Carolina, and Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana, back into Texas. So there you have it. There is the outlook area for tomorrow. Hopefully I can get through this video without any allergy problems. So cities we have for tomorrow include San Antonio, Indianapolis, Columbus, Austin, and Memphis under a slight, and Houston, Dallas, Fort Worth, Oklahoma City, and Arlington under a marginal. So let's go ahead and deep dive and see what we've got for tomorrow. Looks like we've got a 2% tornado risk extending from Arkansas through Mississippi up into Tennessee, Kentucky, a little bit of Illinois, and Indiana. Those states are under a 2% tornado risk. So we do have Memphis, Nashville, Louisville, Evansville, and Clarksville under the 2%. So those areas there could see EF0, maybe an EF1 tornado possible in the area. Going into tomorrow's wind outlook, we have the 15% extending from Texas through Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, just a little bit of Georgia there, Tennessee, a teeny tiny bit of Missouri, as you can see there, Kentucky, a little bit of Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, and up into New York State. And then we also have the 5% extending from Texas through Oklahoma, Arkansas, up through Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, just a little bit of Michigan there, up through New York State, Pennsylvania, Maryland, West Virginia, a little bit of Virginia, Tennessee, a little bit of North Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana, and back into Texas. So there you go. There it is, the 2%, or excuse me, the 5%. So we have San Antonio, Indianapolis, Columbus, Austin, and Memphis under a 15%, and Houston, Dallas, Fort Worth, Oklahoma City, and Arlington under a 5%. So we do have the potential to see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts in the 15% area, and 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible in the 5% area. So we do have that potential for tomorrow. Going into tomorrow's hail risk, we've got a 15% hatched for Oklahoma and Texas. And once again, another part of Texas also has a 15% hatched. We have a 5% extending from Texas through Oklahoma, Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, Missouri, Kentucky. All of Kentucky actually has a hail risk. Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, West Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania, and up into New York State. So that's what we've got for tomorrow. So we have Austin, Waco, Killeen, Wichita Falls, and Lawton under the significant severe, as well as the 15% hatched, and Houston, San Antonio, Dallas, Indianapolis, and Columbus under a marginal 5%. So we do have the potential for hail tomorrow. So for the 5% risk areas, 15% hatched areas, you could see 1 to 3.5 inch hail possible. But the rest of the area, the 5%, could be only see 1 to 2 inch hail possible. So interesting. But still, be safe tomorrow because that could be a possibility. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says strong to locally severe thunderstorm development is expected from the parts of the southern plains into the Mississippi and Ohio valleys in northeastward to the lower Great Lakes Thursday. Thunderstorms will pose a risk for strong to severe wind and hail. So there you have it. There is the new day 2 outlook for tomorrow. There is tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And then went to reset. And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe. Take today to prepare for anything that may happen tomorrow. Anyway, that's going to be it for me. We will be going over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it turns into day 1. Anyway, that's going to be it for me. Have yourselves a great day. Take care.